How does the Partner with Anthony program work? The way that this program works is actually quite simple. Firstly, it's a training course on affiliate marketing, so it will guide you with all the techniques you need to know to be able to promote products in return for commissions on any sales that result from your efforts. And in this case, there's a twist, because it will also teach you how to promote the program itself, and in essence, this is the partnership that will be created between you and Anthony Morrison. There is a lot of training inside PWA to get you up and running in no time. The training covers A to Z of affiliate marketing, and the dashboard is extremely simple and distraction-free. If you are a newbie and have completely no idea about creating an online business, the training will show you the path and you just need to watch the video and implement what you watched. Just copy and paste what you learned and you are on your way. What is the cost of Partner with Anthony? Partner with Anthony shows up to have a really low obstacle to entry because you initially just have to pay $7 to get to the program. This will get you into the community. You'll have to then put yourself into action mode, which will certainly be entirely needed if you really desire to have a working system. The $7 is in fact a reoccurring monthly cost, with a $97 one-time alternative also offered, and personally, I think one-time is a better choice instead of monthly, because if you want to build an unshakable internet business then you need to spend some amount, and if you take lifetime then you will skip monthly and you can use that money for traffic generation, because the end of the day everyone needs quality traffic, because traffic is a fuel of your business, right? The course itself is drip-fed, which indicates that you cannot see all the components at the same time. Which is also good because you need time to implement what you learned on day one. Because training is useless if you don't implement, and you will get only results if you do implement on a daily basis. As a result of this training technique, you will start seeing results within 2 weeks if you do follow. How does the promotion work? The training guides you on how to promote any product on earth. That's why Anthony will show you step by step how he creates a funnel, on how he creates an ad copy, email swipes, so you can model and can use this with any online business whichever you want to promote. You can model his marketing business and you can use it to promote affiliate offers, or you can create your own digital products. I feel that you can't learn affiliate marketing without discipline. So if you partner with Anthony, then only you can feel that this is real, and real where you can learn and then you can implement this system anywhere, because this is a really very inexpensive program to date. You cannot get anything else with this quality of training at this price of $7. Actually not training, but you get partnering with someone who knows everything about affiliate marketing and how to make money online. Anthony also provides funnels that are already done for you, which sounds like it will make your life easy, which is true because you don't need to do a lot of extra effort to create funnels. Because Anthony is giving you all his own funnels which he is using, and not even his funnels but also his ad copy, email swipes, and traffic source. You just need to log in and use as your own. You need to just send traffic and start getting sales from the very first day of your campaign. Please subscribe if you find this information useful and would like to get the latest videos when they come available. BlueSkyMarketingTips.com